Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all Windows Media Player issues or errors you find happening in Windows 11. So if you're currently using your PC or laptop and you're experiencing this issue, go ahead and follow these steps that I'm about to share with you to fix the issue. So right click on the Windows logo here on your taskbar. This is the Windows button and you want to click on Settings. Now once you're in Settings, click on System on the left hand side. Then from here, you want to scroll down and you want to open up the optional features. Now from here, you want to look under the added features. You can see that there are 11 of them. You want to look for the Windows Media Player here. So once you find it, click the drop down here and simple click and remove. This will go ahead and remove the Windows Media Player from your PC. Now, once you see that it's finished removing, I'm going to show you how to easily get it back. So as you can see, it's currently removed. Now, what you want to do is simple go at the top where it says add an optional feature, click on view, and from here you can simply do a scroll to find it, or you can simply type it in. So you can simply type in media and you will find the Windows Media Player. Just simple click the checkbox here and then click on next, then click on add. And this is going to quickly install or add the Windows Media Player, the legacy app, on your computer. So depending on the speed of your computer and internet connections, installation will be either very quick or take a little bit of time. But as you can see, mine is not going too bad, so let's just wait for it to complete. And there you have it, guys. You can see that the Windows Media Player is now added back to my PC. Now all you have to do now, guys, is simply restart your computer and I can guarantee you that the issue will be fixed. And that's how you go ahead and fix all Windows Media Player issues or errors that you're finding happening on your Windows PC or laptop. Thank you guys for watching and looking forward to see you in the next video.